Hello everybody and welcome to week 14. This will be our last week of class. In this week's class, we're going to be covering the last unit we'll looking at future forms. What are you doing later? And also, if we have time, we'll try to get an exam practice in for the week after. Okay, the point about this week's learning outcomes is that I want you to look at these forms talking about the future. We have present continuous and be going to plus verb, so two forms. So what are you doing tonight is present continuous, and what are you going to do tonight is also possible. Right, so the two forms. So be careful that the time expression indicates that these are future forms. Tonight is in the future and tomorrow is in the future. So I've put the learning material on the LMS and it's here. Right. So the first part of the class, I want you to practice this dialogue together with your partner just to build some fluency and start thinking about how we're using these grammar forms. Are you doing anything tomorrow? Right? What are you doing tonight? Right? And we'll just check pronunciation and try to build some fluency for this dialogue. So hopefully that will go quickly, just 5 minutes. Right? Then we'll get onto this grammar point. I'll get you to read through this grammar explanation I've put here and practice some of these and think about how they're talking about the future and how the time expression is very important to these. So that's for you to self-study and read through. Then I'll get you to practice these ones. Just do it for yourself as a bit of self-practice. Identify the right form of the verb there. Then I'll go over this in class and just check that you got that correct. And then in the last part of the class, I'll get you to do something more communicative. The first part is we'll build this. So you have to ask the questions using the going to form and follow-up questions asking to a partner. And then we'll have a look at the be going to as well. So this is going to be talking about the future also. Think about these questions. And then at the end, we'll break up into groups and we'll get some exam practice in. I hope that's all clear. If you have any questions at all, please let me know, and I'll see you in class.